Okay, back with you once again. And the second set of sketches, this set of sketches I'm going to show you are floor plans. Just basic floor plans. Now, the first one show you is this bedroom set. Here you got the bed and the lamp and a desk, and you got a shower cap here. So this is the first set I'm showing you. The second one I'm going to show you is this picture of an office. Now you see you got this good lamp, and you got the desk, the computer over here, and the chair, and you got the sofa where the clients or customers sit, and the table there. So this is the second set I'm showing you, along with this first one. Finally, I'm going to show you this one right here, set of a house, basic house or apartment. This is the dining room, kitchen, island, got the stove, the fridge, and some sort of island here again. Then you got the living room, you got the TV set, table, and the couch. So my sketches for today. I'll show you more in a future video.